Hello, and welcome to Travel with T. Today we are off to Miami. I'm so excited. I'm actually taking someone's airplane virginity today. I decided for Christmas I was gonna get my mom, my sister, and my sister's two kids, my two nieces, plane tickets to Miami. So we're going on a trip. It is not their first time out of the state, but normally they drive places. So my niece Debbie, it's her first time going on an airplane. I'm so excited. Okay, and right now it's currently 23 degrees Fahrenheit outside. For those of you not in America, that is far below zero. And this is what I'm wearing. Oh well. Hopefully I don't get frostbite on my toes on my way to the beach. So we are officially on the plane. Are you excited for your very first flight? Yeah. She said, yeah. Officially made it to Miami. Are you guys excited? Oh yeah. Woohoo! Woohoo! Look at this ocean. Oh, I love the beach. Today is our official first full day here in Miami. This morning we just went to the grocery store to grab some food so that we're not eating out. That is one of the things that I do often when I travel to more expensive places like in the United States, is I always go to the grocery store and get a bunch of food. That way we're not eating out, because like last night we went out to dinner. It wasn't a very good meal and we still spent $300. So we're gonna stick more to groceries, cooking in our apartment, so that we save a bit of money that way. Right now we are all getting ready for the beach and we're going to head down that way. I'm super excited. It's a bit cloudy today, so that's probably nice because we won't get super overheated. Buddy. So we are just getting back from the beach. I am sunburned. We are all sunburned, but all in like weird spotty places, but that's besides the point. Today we are having spaghetti for dinner. So here is our lovely spaghetti. So this is for them and this one is for me, no meat. And yeah. Tonight we're going to hang out, do some face masks. We're super excited. My skin definitely needs it. I got sunburnt like on the circles of my eyes. She got sunburnt everywhere. Somehow she didn't get burnt at all. We were outside for 8 hours and she didn't get burnt. So yeah, but I'm gonna do a coconut oil one. She's doing a peppermint oil one. And she's doing a charcoal one. So we look good. Debbie, look at that one.
I started it in my nose. Don't do that.
So these, I've never actually done one. Have you done them before? Yeah. How are you doing?
Oh no.
Oh no!
You messed my face up. Here, let me do you now.
Oh my god.
That's perfect.
That's perfect. Oh.
It's juicy, huh?
Good morning. We have had a relaxing morning. Now we're going to the yacht. I'm super excited. I've never actually just like hung out on a boat before. And I think most of us haven't, right? Just you, Mom, huh? So only one of us has just chilled on the boat. So I'm super excited for that. That was so much fun, and now we're going on a free trolley somewhere. I don't know where we're going. I don't know what we're gonna do, but I'll let you know when we're there. The driver says we're gonna love it. We're the only one on the place, so that's why it's okay for me to have my mask halfway down to talk to you guys, okay? Alrighty, it is our second to last day here. This morning we have just been at the beach all day, as you can tell. I'm gonna be burnt for a few days. Now we're going to head off and go shopping in the town. Last night we just, what did we do? What did we do last night? We drank some alcohol, so that explains why I do not remember what we did last night. Oh geez. But yeah, we went down to the little tiki bar here at the resort. That was super cute, super fun, super delicious drinks. And now we are going to go shopping, just for some souvenir type shopping, and then tomorrow we are all getting tattoos. So I'm super excited. I love tattoos, and I think I'm the only one who has a tattoo. All the other 4 have never had a tattoo. I have 11 tattoos, so I am really used to it. And I'm like aware of what the pain is gonna be, but they're all freaking out. Like they're like, it's gonna be so bad, but Comment down below if you think tattoos are painful or not. For me, I think that they're like, yeah, of course, like they're painful, but I feel like they're pretty bearable. I don't know why everyone makes it seem like it's the absolute worst pain ever, because I genuinely don't believe that it is. There are certain spots that are like, oh my gosh, like stop that, that doesn't feel good, but nothing that I'm like, I could never get another one. Okay, we're going to get our tattoos now. Are you excited?
Oh, no. Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
How about you, Mom? She's so scared. She's going first, huh? Yeah, she is. She is, I promise. She wants this, okay? Are you excited? Excited?
So, what's going on?
Not that bad.
No,
I mean,
it doesn't feel good.
oh, okay. Right? Not that bad.
Or was that a, oh shit, okay.
She said, oh, okay. Yeah, it's fine. It's there.
How's it feel?
Not bad.
Mm-hmm.
At all.
How do you feel? Is that right? Okay, let's show them all our tattoos.
Are we taking a picture or a video?
A video.
Okay, good.
Debbie! Woohoo! So we found a little water refill bottle thingy here, which I think is super cool. We do not have these in Colorado, so.
Not your finger dingus.
What does it say?
They're struggling a little bit.
I did it upside down, that's why.
The struggle is real.
No?
Purifying. Here, thank you.
Oh, it's purifying the water.
Okay.
Woohoo! My friends, we have gotten back to our hotel. We are heading off to the airport, sadly, back to the snow. But this has been a great adventure. Strangely enough, I heard all of these sayings, like everyone was saying that like Miami or Florida is open for COVID restrictions, stuff like that. But to be honest, I feel like it was pretty similar to Colorado. In Colorado, like you wear a mask when you go into a restaurant, when you're walking around buildings, but like when you're outside, you don't have to have it on. That's kind of how it is here. Like around the hotel, we had to wear one. We would get in trouble if we didn't. And in grocery stores, we had to wear one, stuff like that. I mean, I didn't see super crowded beaches or anything like that. I guess the beach was like a little bit more crowded than most places would be in Colorado, but I mean, I would say that they're handling it basically the same. Now, that's just Miami. I don't speak for anywhere else in Florida, but yeah. So other than that, thank you guys, my friends, for coming along on this adventure, and I will see you on the next one.